Hi everybody, and welcome to Module 4. In this module we are going to be looking at Chapter 3 of your textbook, and it is going to be looking at how do we find the evidence to answer our clinical questions. So a lot of this is going to be looking at our search competencies. So with evidence-based practice, how do we go about searching and looking for this evidence? So page 57 of your text has a really good infographic that kind of puts that all into perspective. It'll talk about a couple of other things like Boolean phrases, how we utilize those to search for different key criteria. And also within the resources on D2L, you're going to find links to the Cochrane database and TRIP, both of which are mentioned in your textbook. And you'll also have a link to this Ursuline library guide. So this is kind of what I wanted to show you as far as how you can use this library guide to help guide you in your search. So if you can see here, I've pulled up the library guide, and this link is in this module as well as in the student resources. When you pull up this page, you're going to find a little bit on the PICO question again, and how we use those. So they have some tips there. And then if you go into the databases, these are going to be the three main ones that you'll probably use to find your articles. So CINAHL is one of the most popular nursing literature databases that we have. And then Medline and PubMed are both they're not nursing specific, but they're just healthcare and health related professions, versus nursing is the majority of CINAHL. They also have some search tips here and some little videos to look at how you can use different search criteria to find what you need. There's also some additional information on how to choose the right article, and also there is a link to the APA manual and guide. One of the things that I want to show you though too is that again on the right side of the screen here, you can email and set up an appointment with Kathy Fisher, who is the contact for nursing for the library, and she can also help you with your search for your articles if needed. So you can always schedule an appointment with her as well. As far as the posters, they do have a poster template that you can look at here. So this one is more just, here, let me move myself down here. So this one is a little bit more generic as far as a regular poster. You can use this one if you'd like. However, there's another one that I've posted on D2L for you that I think is going to be a little bit more geared towards what you will be doing for your poster. And what's nice about this is that it has little things on the sides, so on the right and then on the left of the screen, that will show you how to zoom in and out, how to edit some of these pieces, and also how to incorporate sound, and how do you record, because you will be doing a voiced over PowerPoint slide or presentation for your final poster. So this one kind of correlates a little bit more with the rubric that we have for the course, but you are welcome to use this template or the other one. So that's it as far as what you need to know from the Ursuline guide and the PICO questions and the databases. Just a reminder too, your discussion this week is going to be looking at your PICO question and then looking at how you were starting to search for articles related to that. So it's going to ask you to explain your search strategy, and you'll want to answer some of the questions that are posed on D2L. And then for your peer responses, first peer response needs to be, you will review one of their articles that they posted and comment on the relevance to that person's PICO topic. So how well does it relate? If it doesn't relate well, if you don't believe that it's going to help them answer their question, what would you do to maybe make it a little bit better? And then peer response number 2 is just a regular response. You don't need to look at an article for that, but with at least one response needs to be that you've reviewed their article. Okay. If you have any questions about finding articles or about this topic, please let me know, and also utilize all the resources that are available to you for this as well. Thanks.